Welcome to SuiteTrails. Today, we are exploring the top 7 attractions in Cesky Krumlov, Czech Republic. Get ready to be enchanted by the beauty and charm of this picturesque town. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Cesky Krumlov, a medieval town in South Bohemia, retains its fairy tale-like atmosphere even today, and it will be easy to see why UNESCO included the town on its list of cultural heritage sites. Your guide will lead you along the narrow, winding streets of the historical center, where you'll be able to admire the Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque buildings of the Rosmerk, Eggenberg, and Schwarzenberg noble families. Tour the famed castle, the second largest in the Czech Republic. Tickets can be bought on site. You'll see centuries-old furniture, artwork, tapestries, and exquisitely adorned weapons, and also the world's oldest, well-preserved Baroque theater. Number 2. Tour the historically rich and picturesque towns of Cesky Krumlov and Cesky Budějovice on a day trip from Prague. Travel through southern Bohemia on an air-conditioned vehicle with a guide. Visit the Cesky Krumlov Castle, April to October, and have lunch in a historic restaurant. Enjoy a scenic ride from Prague through the southern Bohemia region of the Czech Republic. First, head to Cesky Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that features over 300 historic buildings. Soak in views of the town dominated by a huge castle and the Church of St. Vitus. Continue on to Cesky Budějovice and see its unique historic square, lined with Renaissance and Baroque houses. After a full day exploring southern Bohemia, sit back and enjoy the scenic countryside on your way back to Prague. Number 3. Join this night tour and see the dark side of Cesky Krumlov. You will find out that it is almost a different town at night than in the daytime. Suddenly it appears a bit spooky. Explore Cesky Krumlov with its long history and houses that are centuries old. There are ghosts and haunted stories linked to the town. Some of them actually happened, and some of them, well, who knows? The tour starts around sunset, then it ends after dusk. Come and hear about the local legends of Cesky Krumlov. Enjoy Cesky Krumlov, one of the most beautiful towns in the world. With its rich and famous history, very well-preserved medieval town center, and great setting in the landscape, it rightfully belongs to some of the most precious gems of the Czech Republic. These are some of the reasons why Cesky Krumlov became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1992. Number 4. Get to know Cesky Krumlov at your own pace on this interactive puzzle game and walking tour played on your phone. Decipher riddles, interact with the most important attractions of the city, and unlock interesting facts and legends. An ideal outdoor activity for first-time visitors, couples, groups, families, and children. Can be used as a great team-building activity. After downloading the app on your mobile device, use the mobile app and integrated maps to reach 10 of Cesky Krumlov's most important attractions on foot. At each stop, learn about the attraction and solve a location-based puzzle that can only be solved if you reach the specific location. Use logic, imagination, observation, and team spirit to unlock the correct code and reveal the next destination of the city's sightseeing game. At each stop, learn about the attraction and solve a location-based puzzle. Use logic, imagination, observation. Start the activity whenever you like and enjoy the flexibility to pause at any time to take a break, snap the perfect photos, stop for lunch, or visit a museum. Choose to continue the tour later or save the rest for another day. In the history-filled city of Cesky Krumlov, you will first visit the beautiful clastery Cesky Krumlov, then the unique Cesky Krumlov Castle Tower, and then the irreplaceable Lizebniki Most. This wonderful route continues to the Church of St. Vitus. As a fifth stop, you will find the fountain and plague column. As you continue your walk through the city, you will find the interesting wax museum. Of course, the Egon Schiele Art Centrum could not be missing from this tour. In addition, you will also admire the Cloak Bridge. The penultimate destination is the enviable Zámecký Park. While the icing on the cake of this unique tour could not be other than the State Castle and Chateau. Download the World City Trail app from the store. Then start your tour and enjoy. Number 5. You are invited to visit the picturesque medieval town of Cesky Krumlov, located in scenic southern Bohemia along the banks of the Vltava River. The town was founded in the 13th century and has retained its former medieval character. Cesky Krumlov Castle is the second largest in the country after Prague Castle. It was also the seat of the powerful Rosmark and Schwarzenberg families and now houses rich historical collections. In the castle gardens, you cannot miss the unique 18th century castle theater. You will also have time to take a break in one of the many stylish and cozy pubs. During the winter season, lunch instead of the castle entrance fee will be included. Number 6. Get to Cesky Krumlov Central Bus Station from Prague na Nitechi bus station or vice versa in just less than 3 hours on a modern bus. Take the hassle out of the start or end of your holiday by booking your ticket online in advance. Simply relax on air-conditioned buses from the comfort of your seat and arrive at your destination on time, either at Prague Central or Cesky Krumlov Central. Be greeted and supported by staff who will help you onboard and enjoy the view of Prague and Cesky Krumlov during the transfer. On board the luxurious yellow coaches, you will receive free hot drinks and can buy a selection of other refreshments. Daily newspapers and magazines make your journey more enjoyable, as does Wi-Fi on all lines, leather reclining seats with seat belts, and of course an onboard toilet. During the journey you can watch a movie, listen to music, or play electronic games, all thanks to the interactive touchscreens with an entertainment portal built into every seat. Number 7. Explore the most iconic highlights of Cesky Krumlov with a local professional guide, and learn about the town's fascinating history and intriguing medieval architecture. Visit Cesky Krumlov's most famous sites including the main square, St. Vitus Church, the Barber's Bridge, the Cloak Bridge, and the Bear Moat. Marvel at the incredible medieval houses of the old town, Latran quarters, and many castle courtyards dotted around. Then enjoy the stunning views across the town from some of the elevated terraces along the tour. Take a romantic walk through the narrow and crooked streets and see the medieval houses leaning up against each other. You can really imagine the history and sights these houses have witnessed over the years since they've been built. After the tour, you have the option to visit the interior of the Cesky Krumlov Castle, and your guide will help you choose the right tour with the best tickets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.